we've seen a great change in the way that precision oncology is perceived in the general community. Over the last couple of years, it has changed from being seen as translational research or research that is close to patients towards a tool that we now use in everyday clinical practice. So to be aligned with this change in perception and to help the oncology community, my vision as Precision Medicine Working Group Chair is to provide tools that help practicing oncologists, researchers, scientists, but also pharmaceutical companies and other stakeholders in the field to advance precision oncology for the benefit of our patients. The Precision Medicine Working Group has a history to publish recommendations and guardrails that help practicing oncologists and the whole oncology community to practice and implement precision oncology in everyday clinical practice. Just very recently, we have published the second version of our recommendations on when to do comprehensive genomic profiling in the management of advanced cancers by Fernanda Mosele, and she will touch upon this in another video in this series. Similarly, Joris van der Haar has published a report on how the results of comprehensive genomic profiling should be reported. Last but not least, we've touched upon the topic of tumor-agnostic therapeutics and put out a new classifier called ETAC, and again, we're going to talk about this in another video with Diogo Martins Branco. Precision medicine is an innovative and moving field, and we're seeing a lot of different developments. We have to integrate artificial intelligence as a new form of biomarkers informing treatment and supporting clinicians in their daily practice, and we're working on recommendations how AI biomarkers can be tested so that they are indeed useful tools to help treating our patients. Secondly, precision oncology has moved from research into everyday clinical practice, but there are still challenges to be overcome from a regulatory standpoint, from a standpoint of access to care. And I have a political vision that the working group is really helping to push precision medicine with inclusion of stakeholders, let it be patient advocates, let it be the industry. And we have created a think tank within ESMO that you will hear more about in the future that will facilitate such exchange.